Credit Coach by SmartCredit Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Credit Coach by SmartCredit, a comprehensive tool designed to help you monitor, manage, and improve your credit health effectively. As always, links to the product and additional details can be found in the description below. Let's dive into its features, target audience, and how it works to meet your financial needs. Credit Coach by SmartCredit is an all-in-one platform offering more than just credit score monitoring. It provides users with access to their credit score, detailed credit reports, and actionable insights to understand the factors impacting their credit. A standout feature is the interactive credit score builder, which provides personalized plans to improve your credit score based on your current financial situation. This level of customization makes it an excellent choice for those looking to make meaningful progress with clear, actionable steps. One unique offering is the Money Manager feature, which consolidates all your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and loans, into one dashboard. This integration allows you to track your spending and manage your finances efficiently. For those concerned about inaccuracies on their credit reports, the system includes tools to dispute errors directly with creditors, streamlining the process and saving valuable time. Another key feature is the credit monitoring system, which provides real-time alerts about changes to your credit report. This is particularly useful for detecting fraudulent activities or new account openings. Additionally, the identity theft insurance and restoration services offer peace of mind by protecting you against potential financial losses due to identity theft. Credit Coach is ideal for individuals who want a proactive approach to managing and improving their credit, especially those who value convenience and hands-on tools. Whether you're planning a major financial decision, such as buying a home or car, or simply looking to take control of your credit health, this tool has the features to support your journey. In conclusion, Credit Coach by SmartCredit is a versatile and user-friendly platform designed for anyone serious about improving their financial standing. With its interactive tools and robust features, it empowers you to take charge of your credit with confidence. Check out the links in the description to explore this powerful tool today.